definitely gonna spin you, but all that you can do is continue. Dickheads, bitches, I can smell the cunt in you, but all that I can do is continue living my life until the holes where my body's dumped into. Until then I'ma continue. They say life moves fast, no, it moves mad slow. Every mountaintop is just a new plateau, another mountain on top of that, yo. Now you like Sisyphus climbing forever, screaming God's an asshole. Pass go after giving it all you have, then you end up back on Baltic Avenue in that hotel that you ain't wanna revisit. After Boardwalk celebrating, mama, we did it. And you spent that 200 on some lottery tickets, thinking possibly you'd win it, but you probably didn't. But the clock will keep ticking, there's another turn coming, and hopefully your dumbass will learn something. Don't get offended, stupidity something we're all born with. Knowledge, that takes a while to absorb it. That's why your parents' advice, you ignored it and did some old stupid ass uninformed shit like these. You got caught shoplifting. You fucking cheated on your girlfriend, and you didn't wear a condom. And then you got fired from McDonald's. Sometimes when life gets low, gotta learn how to stick it out. I mean, what the fuck else you gonna do? That's what life is all about. I'm telling you all the truth on this. It's a lot of shit I've done been through, but all that I can do is continue. Step into a tornado, it's definitely gonna fucking spin you, but all that you can do is continue. Dickheads, bitches, I can smell the cunt in you, but all that I can do is continue living my life until the holes where my body's dumped into. Until then I'ma continue. Negative thoughts are like a needy ass neighbor knocking on your door for a greedy ass favor, and it always takes longer than they say it will. And even when the job's done, them fools just wanna stay and chill. Gotta kick them out right when it ends, get too hospitable and they gon' start inviting they friends. Like negative Nancy calls negative Clancy, and suddenly negative is the only thing you can see. I've been there, it's pointless, cunts in your head with they cunny little voices. It gets boisterous, but what you gonna do? I'll tell you what you gonna do. Gonna continue to leave. You got too much to achieve, man, you sure to win. Life's an arcade game, put another quarter in and have fun playing it. That shit I just said, I had fun saying it. Oh yeah. You developed a drug problem. You got clean, but now you're back on them. To top it off, your dog died, and then your girl left, now you're contemplating suicide. Sometimes when life gets low, gotta learn how to stick it out. I mean, what the fuck else you gonna do? That's what life is all about.
Man, fuck this shit.
Put the gun down, Timmy, that girl, she ain't worth it. Move your penis into a vagina that deserves it. Nobody's perfect, lighten up. Put some music in your morning and your day will surely brighten up. Sunny days, I'll be back once more, and there's a good return policy at that gun store. You got two choices. One, kill yourself. Two, make an attempt to fulfill yourself. One's logical, the other's diabolical. A wise man will devise plans that are option filled. Be glad you got your mama still. If you don't, be glad you got your father still. If you don't, be glad that you can pop a pill, drugged out better than a cemetery plot to fill. I ain't Dr. Phil, I'm just a dude who's trying to put you in a good mood, yeah. I ain't Dr. Phil, I'm just a dude who's trying to put you in a good mood, yeah. A good mood, yeah. That's all I'm trying to do is put you in a good mood. Fuck Dr. Phil, cause I ain't him, it's Big Wax, motherfucker, I'ma say it again. It's Big Wax, not Dr. Phil. Me and Herbal T and EOM, yeah, you know we gon' chill, we gon' do it real